This is absolutely huge. Something very, very special. This is an M4 carbine, full metal. This is the SR4A1. Now this has been available in the UK for some time, but only in black. This is the first one in the UK that is now two-tone. So you can now get this gun without a UCARA membership. Let's open it up. This is incredible. Everything's metal apart from plastic cover here, plastic rest here. Apart from that, everything is metal. This is all solid metal. It's an incredible, weighty, very, very heavy 1:1 scale M4 carbine. Adjustable stock. Safety, full automatic and semi-automatic. Put in the top back here, releases this, and in here is your hop up. Just here, just turn it either way, adjust the hop up. Feels very, very realistic, feels like you are actually holding the real thing. In here, just simply pull this back and release batteries in here. You also have a fuse in here, so if anything does happen with the gun, the glass fuse will go, and you can replace those glass fuses very, very simply from any Halfords or any good electrical supplier. With this gun you also get a UK mains charger for the battery. This sight here you just adjust with this small tool here. This is basically to raise and drop the sight, the pin. And this is a very good full metal adjustable sight as well, left and right, up and down. We also have at the bottom here a small Allen key fitting. That is basically to adjust the gearing for maintenance only. In this pack you also get a small box of 100 0.20 gram BBs. This is a unblocking rod and also used for cleaning. And also, I've got to say, this is the best manual I've ever seen. This is a real pro spec manual. In here, very good detailed description of the hop up, adjustment for the sight, the gearing adjustment, as I said, full schematic of the gun as well. Fantastic manual. Wish every gun came with a manual as good as this one. Okay, let's release the magazine. Very, very good mechanical magazine. Let's load that now. So the magazine's a mechanical magazine, so you just simply open up the drawer and pull your BBs into here. I'm going to use the 0.20 gram Bulldog green ammo. Pour them in. Now this holds over 300 rounds, and it's very important that you fill it at least halfway. Once they're in there, close the door and wind. There's a wind here at the bottom. Just wind that up and you'll see the BBs appear at the top. Give it a few more winds and insert into the gun. Now if you feel that it's missing a shot, missing a few shots, just simply wind that. You don't need to take the magazine out, just wind it again. This gun is something very special. Are you ready? Let's let a few rounds go. So let's take it off for safety and put it onto semi-automatic. Wow. The power and the hop up are absolutely fantastic. This is over 300 feet per second. I think on the website it says 329. It's definitely over 300. Now on full automatic. Ready for this? Incredible.